In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the especially merciful. Peace and blessings be upon the one who said, "Seek knowledge, even if it is in China." The Prophet Muhammad did not build an empire of stone. He built an empire of the mind. An ummah whose cities glittered with intellect, whose libraries breathed like lungs, whose streets echoed with the footsteps of philosophers, physicians, and astronomers. But today, the world forgets, and worse. They claim we never contributed at all. In the heart of Baghdad, the Bait al-Hikmah, House of Wisdom, stood like a lighthouse for the world. Muslim scholars gathered Greek, Persian, Indian texts, not to copy, but to revive, improve, and expand them. Ibn Sina, the father of modern medicine, wrote Al-Qanun fi al-Tib, the canon of medicine, a book that remained Europe's medical textbook for 700 years. Al-Khwarizmi gave birth to algebra, a word itself derived from his book Al-Jabr wal-Muqabala. Jabir ibn Hayyan is called the father of chemistry, though in Western textbooks they call him Geber, stripped of his Arabic roots. Al-Idrisi's world map guided European explorers before Columbus even knew how to sail. The Ottomans, Mughals, and Andalusians built hospitals, observatories, universities, centuries before Europe's Renaissance. Europe did not rise in isolation. She rose by standing on the shoulders of the Muslim world. When the West was in darkness, Andalusia was bathed in light. While cathedrals echoed with superstition, Muslim masjids resonated with astronomy and logic. Western scholars from Oxford, Paris, and Bologna traveled to Muslim lands to study. They returned home with manuscripts, methods, and Muslim teachers' notes, copied and translated into Latin. And yet today they speak of a European Enlightenment, as though the light never had an Eastern origin. As Muslim empires weakened, colonial powers didn't just take land, they took legacy. They translated our works, removed the original Arabic names, and claimed them as their own. Al-Kindi became Al-Kindus. Al-Razi became Razas. Ibn Rushd became Averroes. Al-Zahrawi became Abul-Qasis. These were not just distortions, they were erasures, a knowledge genocide. And thus, the children of the West were taught that Newton invented physics, while the sons of the Ummah were taught they only prayed and fought. Today, Muslims roam the modern world with their heads down, believing the lie that we were never scientists, never thinkers, never pioneers. But tell them this: the foundations of hospitals, built by Muslims, the first surgical instruments, Muslim. The first observatory dome, Muslim. The first flying machine, designed by Abbas ibn Firnas, a Muslim. We were not just dreamers. We were the engineers of civilization, O Ummah of Muhammad. The world took your knowledge, then took your credit, then took your confidence. And now, they rule with your tools, while you sleep with your history buried beneath your feet. But this sleep must end. Indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is in themselves. Surah Ar-Ra'd 13:11. Wake up, O youth of Islam. Revive the brilliance of Ibn Sina, the resolve of Ibn Khaldun, the mind of Al-Farabi. You are not the remnants of a fallen empire. You are the inheritors of a golden civilization. Rise and let the world know the knowledge they stole. We shall reclaim. O Allah, awaken this ummah from its slumber. Grant us the light of knowledge and the wisdom of our forefathers. Make us the torchbearers of truth once again.